Guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to add or remove email ID in group while you sending the emails, okay, in Outlook. So guys, I will show you how you can edit your group's members or email ID while you sending the or compose a new mail in Outlook. So I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and you can support me, hit the thanks button. I hope you like this video. So let's start with the video. So let me come to the in Outlook homepage, and let me compose a new email here and take the groups to 2. Just click on 2 and I select this group, okay, and enter the 2. So this group will be coming to just okay. So when you insert the group in 2 section or C section, you can see only the group name. You not able to see the group email ID. But I will show you how you can edit it, how you can delete the some emails from there, or how you can add the some emails in this group while sending the mail. So for that you have to just click on this plus icon, tiny plus icon, okay. So it will be see the it will be expand your group, okay. But please note, when you click on this plus icon, then you can't undo it. So I just click on it. So this message will be expand list will be this message will become that it will be can't be unable to collapse again, means you can't undo it. Just click on OK. Then you can see the all email. Now you can add the another emails like this, okay. Okay, so this email ID has been added. You have to just hit the enter, okay. If you want to delete, just keep the cursor which email ID you want to delete on the last and just hit the enter. Then this email ID will be delete, okay. You have to just enter the 2 time enter button and just click on send, okay. So I hope you this video will help you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.